You are telling the South Indian states, you are telling the northeastern states, you are telling small states in India that in order for the BJP to remain in power, we are going to take away representation from you. This is nothing short of an anti-national act. This is what you are doing. And under no circumstances are we going to allow you to do it. So I am telling you very clearly right now that the entire opposition is going to defeat this attempt of yours to attack the nation state and deprive OBCs and Dalits of their rightful place in society. I want to ask, corporate India, entire financial structure of India, where are the Dalits? Where are the OBCs? Where are the Adivasis? Top bureaucracy of this country. आपका गलती है. Where are they? Judiciary, private sector, private hospital sector, healthcare sector, education sector. Earlier, there used to be something called the public sector. Public sector provided space for Dalits, OBCs. You've removed it, demolished it, handed it over to your friends. Yes. So you call OBCs Hindus, you call Dalits Hindus, but you do not give them any space in the power structure of this country. And you can ask this to any Dalit, you can ask it to any OBC. This is a fact. You call them Hindus, but you do not give them any place in this country.
Yes, be cool. Be cool.
And you are... सच्चाई अच्छी नहीं लगती आपको. You
After you can reply. You can reply.
I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding. I'm not yielding.
I'm asking you.
Don't ask. I'm not yielding.
You have made
Speaker,
a
sir, I'm not yielding.
misleading statement. I have to make clarification.
Speaker, sir, I'm not yielding.
But sir, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji is talking about reservation in assemblies and parliament for OBC and for religious minorities. That is not permissible. When Congress ruled this country for more than 60 years, why did not Congress party provide that constitutional reservation for OBC? Congress has to answer. राजीव गांधी जी ने ऑन रिकॉर्ड ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन का विरोध किया था. राजीव गांधी जी ने जब प्रधानमंत्री थे और जब प्रधानमंत्री नहीं थे तभी उन्होंने ओबीसी का रिजर्वेशन अपोज उस समय का प्रधानमंत्री राजीव गांधी जी ने किया था. राहुल गांधी जी उसका जवाब दे सकते हैं कि राजीव गांधी जी ने क्यों अपोज किया था ओबीसी रिजर्वेशन.
So I want to assure my friends, brothers and sisters across the country, southern states, smaller states, northeastern states, that do not worry, we are not going to allow them